So as I was saying, the contractor I called and they told me that on site that.
Hi, Daddy.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, how are you?
Joshua, good afternoon.
Absolutely. How are you since morning?
Daddy, I've been in my room studying all day.
That's wonderful, wonderful.
So now, can I go to the cinema and see a movie with John?
John, I thought we'll discuss this over and over again.
Oh, Daddy,
That you
come on.
cannot see a movie with John unaccompanied.
Okay, I know you're worried, so I'll call Jessica and then the three of us will go together.
That'll be fine, that'll be fantastic.
Alright then.
But meanwhile, tell this I want to see how you guys go to the cinema.
Oh, I will,
Alright.
Daddy. Thank you, Daddy. Bye,
Get
Daddy.
proper on your way back.
Bye, Uncle Joshua.
Yeah, bye. Bye.
Like seriously, you mean you can allow your daughter to see a movie with a guy in this 21st century?
I strongly recommend this program on teen psychology, emotional conflict, and emotional intelligence for you to attend and acquire knowledge on how to handle the modern 21st century teenager.
Join Tekena Ikoko, the Dubai-based and international consultant, for a 2-day executive training on parenting and teen psychology on the 5th of February 2016, time 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. and on the 6th of February for an executive training on social and emotional intelligence, time 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. at the Lee Meridian Hotel GRA Port Harcourt. Training fee costs 30,000 per participant.
To book a session for yourself, call 080-6790-7884.
Take charge of the future by registering today. You will be glad you did.